Hello everyone, this is Kyle from WeTechCareOfYou, and today I just want to show you a possible workaround or fix to this issue that I was getting in PowerShell. And this is when I'm trying to enable the PWA on a SharePoint site, and we're getting the issue, sorry, we couldn't find your license to use this feature. If you know who manages the license for your organization, tell them you would like a license to use Project Online. Now, what I found out the issue is at the moment I was using the Planner Plan 1. And what you need to do is you need to upgrade to Project Plan 3. And once you've upgraded that, as you can see, I then ran the scripts again, and that enabled the PWA, so I could use Project Online. Hope this video helps. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Take care. Thank you.